Hi, today is November 1st and we're following on Scarlotta grapes without LiVA treatment, two boxes with LiVA treatment. This trial started 7 days ago and the grapes were incubated at 25 degrees Celsius, 75% relative humidity. Let's have a look inside. This is the first reference box. Oh, the grapes are all covered with mold. The branches are really moldy and brown. Let's have a look at the other reference box. Again, wow, what's happening inside? Oh, look at that. That's a lot of mold. The entire box is covered in mold. Now let's see LiVA. This is the first box. Wow, let's have a look inside. What is happening inside? The grapes looks great. And the second LiVA box. Again, very good appearance. Let's have a look inside. Wow, look at those grapes. They look absolutely great. This is LiVA, a leap into the future.